I'm very proud of myself. I don't think I would have done it without me. So knowing that my graduation is so close is great because I get to start the next journey. For me, it's another step towards the life that I want. The University of Manitoba has impacted my life beyond the classroom in a way that I am grateful for. In the past, due to just anxiety reasons, I was not as into talking to people or being next to people or being around and just involving myself. And building those connections with my professors and all my classmates really improved my learning here. I didn't expect to make so many friends in the first year, and they're all still great friends with me at this point. After I graduate, I plan on joining the Faculty of Education, which is a 2-year program, and after that, be a teacher in the high school system. I want to be able to build my students up as much as the education system did for me in times where I felt alone and stuck. Without the education system in place, I wouldn't be where I'm at today, and I'm really happy for that.